Wei Hao.
And I'm Jaden.
Today we're going to be doing an experiment with using Mentos and 7-Up. Mint Mentos and 7-Up experiment. Our hypothesis is it's going to squirt up about this high as soon as we drop it in. And so I'm going to...
Go, keep on going.
No, Jaden, we need to wait for the fizz to go.
Yeah.
So I want everybody to back up as soon as we
Pop them in. How many are you going to pop in today?
Five.
Okay.
Try doing it.
5. Back.
Oh my God! I got some of my glasses.
Pretty impressive. What happened?
Oh, well.
And what if you pop your glasses?
I don't think you were going.
So what happened?
We lost it about here.
What did you see first?
Jaden, we saw.
Drink that.
What was happening? What did you physically see?
We physically saw a chemical reaction form with. Because you can still see there's fizz going up right now. It's like
Dissolving the Mentos.
it's like dissolving.
So what do you see happening? How do you know that's a chemical reaction? What do you see to tell you that?
Mint is, you know how mint makes your tongue all bubbly later? That's because mint has a chemical in it that makes things go bada boom. And when mint explodes, when mint goes through carbon dioxide stage, it won't, especially since there's a very big right here and there's a small hole here, it just wants to go boom.
So what is happening in here? What do you see still happening even though it's been a whole minute since you did the experiment?
This, the mint Mentos are going to be dissolving. They'll still be dissolving for like a few more minutes, but look, if you want, it's going to look like acid even though it's just bubbles. Okay, actually, it's too late. The Mentos.
So how long do you think it would take for those Mentos to completely dissolve in that liquid? If you had left it overnight or how
Jaden,
long?
can you give me another Mento to see how much? You see some liquid squirted on my goggles. It could have taken a good 10 to 20 minutes.
Are you seriously eating it? I hate Mentos. That's it.
What's next? How could you try changing one variable if you did this another time?
If we wanted to change a variable, we might change the 7-Up.
Less
No.
Mentos or
No,
maybe
more
change
Mentos. Sprite. A Sprite won't work. I mean, it will work, but it'll only go about a third of the height.
And why is that? What's the difference between 7-Up and Sprite?
7-Up has a very big fizz at the start, and if it fizzes very loudly, that means it'll tell you.
And maybe the sugar. There's 20 grams.
So if you're changing the liquid,
in Sprite, there's only 8 grams of sugar in it.
How much can
so it's based on sugar, you think?
And you know why it doesn't work with Coca-Cola? Is because there's no sugar in it.
There is.
No,
So if it doesn't work with Coca-Cola, what would it work with?
Huh?
Would it work with diet soda?
It should work with Diet Coca-Cola.
Yeah, but we don't have Diet
Yeah, we
Coke
can't get
in
it.
Vietnam. We can only get Coke Light.
Is there a
'cause
difference between Coke Light and Diet Coke?
We can get
Diet bit?
Coke in Vietnam.
So what other liquids have you already tried? Same amount of Mentos,
We have tried
just changing different liquids.
We have tried Coke, Dr. Pepper, Pepsi, Diet Coke, Pepsi Zero Calories, 7-Up, and Sprite.
And this had the what reaction? This had the most reaction.
The highest.
7-Up has the how do I say? Quickest reaction. Usually for Sprite, it takes good 15 seconds for it to start bubbling up and start spraying. But this, as soon as the Mentos hit the bottom, it's boom.
So what does it tell you about the properties of the 7-Up compared to the Sprite? What makes it do that?
Its layer of sugar is much more thick.
This has a stronger sugar content?
Yeah.
What other drinks could you find that have a high sugar content?
And maybe
Only Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, Pepsi Zero Calories make this 7-Up explosion.
So how does this experiment extend your understanding of our unit central idea? What is our unit central idea?
Science.
Thinking.
Thinking scientifically, how the thinking scientifically
help us make sense of the world.
How does that central idea connect with this experiment?
It's like a volcano, and in the
It's a volcano in a bottle.
yeah, basically.
So is this what happens with the volcano?
Yeah,
Yeah, and we'll be actually showing you a real volcano in our third video
with
today.
baking soda and vinegar.
But a special
In
kind.
conclusion,
In conclusion, we hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Bye. Bye.